Hey everyone, you had a financial advisor who was always available, charged no fees, and offered personalized investment advice. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into Wealthsimple, a platform that's revolutionizing the way people invest. So, if you're wondering, how do I make money with Wealthsimple, you've come to the right place. Understanding Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a range of investment and financial services. Unlike traditional banks, Wealthsimple doesn't have physical branches. Instead, it operates entirely online, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Key features of Wealthsimple. Automated investing. Wealthsimple's automated investing platform, known as Wealthsimple Invest, uses algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Low fees. One of the biggest advantages of Wealthsimple is its low fees. Unlike traditional investment firms, Wealthsimple charges a flat management fee, typically around 0.5% of your invested assets. Tax loss harvesting. Wealthsimple automatically harvests losses in your portfolio to offset capital gains, helping you reduce your tax liability. Personalized advice. While Wealthsimple's automated investing platform is designed to be easy to use, you can also access personalized advice from Wealthsimple's team of financial advisors. Other services. In addition to automated investing, Wealthsimple offers a range of other financial services, including Wealthsimple Trade, a commission-free trading platform. Wealthsimple Cash, a high-interest savings account. Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. How to make money with Wealthsimple. While Wealthsimple doesn't guarantee profits, it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are a few strategies for making money with Wealthsimple. Long-term investing. One of the most common ways to make money with Wealthsimple is through long-term investing. By investing in a diversified portfolio and staying invested for the long term, you can benefit from the power of compound interest. Dividend investing. Many of the stocks and ETFs in Wealthsimple's portfolios pay dividends. Dividends are regular payments made to shareholders by companies. By reinvesting your dividends, you can accelerate your wealth growth. Tax-efficient investing. Wealthsimple's tax loss harvesting feature can help you minimize your tax bill, allowing you to keep more of your investment gains. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money in a particular asset at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This can help you avoid buying high and selling low. Getting started with Wealthsimple. If you're interested in making money with Wealthsimple, getting started is easy. Simply create an account on the Wealthsimple website or app and complete a short questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. Once you've funded your account, Wealthsimple will automatically build a diversified portfolio based on your preferences. Frequently asked questions. Is Wealthsimple safe? Yes, Wealthsimple is a regulated financial institution that is committed to protecting your investments. How long does it take to see returns? The time it takes to see returns depends on a number of factors, including the performance of the markets and your investment strategy. Can I withdraw my money at any time? Yes, you can withdraw your money from Wealthsimple at any time. Is Wealthsimple suitable for beginners? Yes, Wealthsimple is a great option for beginners who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest. Conclusion. Wealthsimple offers a convenient and affordable way to invest and grow your wealth. By understanding the platform's features and using effective investment strategies, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. So, if you're looking for a way to make money with Wealthsimple, start by creating an account today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.